Hi friends, welcome back to Financial Hacker. The first series of SGPs, also known as Sovereign Gold Bond Schemes 2022, issued by RBI on behalf of Government of India, is open for subscription on May 17 and will close on May 21. Issuance of these bonds will be made tentatively on 25th of this month. In this video, we will discuss what are SGPs and how they are emerged, its characteristics, advantages, disadvantages, and the different ways of investing in these SGPs. For better understanding, I request you guys to watch the video till the end. This is CA Kevin Mahesh and let's get started. SGPs are the securities issued by Government of India but are managed and supervised by the Reserve Bank of India. These bonds are substitute for holding physical gold like jewelry, bars, coins, etc. So basically they are nothing but government securities that are backed by gold. This initiative was started by the central government way back in November 2015 to provide the Indians with an alternative medium to invest in gold other than physical forms, futures and option commodity trading. There will be 12 tranches scheduled in a financial year. On May 12, first 6 series schedule has been released by Government of India and the first series has opened for subscription on May 17 and will close on 21st May. Before investing in SGPs, you need to be well aware of your goals and requirements considering the lock-in period, tenure and other characteristics of SGPs. The bonds will be issued in denominations of 1 gram and in multiples thereof. That is, the minimum investment in this SGP is 1 gram and the maximum investment for the entire fiscal year is 4 kgs for individuals and HUs and 20 kgs for trusts and similar entities. That is, an individual can acquire max 4 kgs under different series issued by Government of India, including acquisition made through the secondary market. The nominal value of gold bonds will be fixed on the basis of simple average of closing price of gold of 999 purity published by the Indian Bullion and Jewelers Association Limited for the last 3 working days of the week preceding the subscription period. RBI has fixed the price for the first series of SGP in this financial year 2021-22 at Rs 4,777 per gram, and also those who are applying online will get upfront discount of Rs 50 per gram. Thus, they will have to pay 4,727 per gram. Unlike other IPOs where the minimum investment will be around 15,000, the minimum investment in this SGP is 4,727 only. SGPs will redeem on the expiration of 8 years from the date of issue. However, premature redemption is available after the 5th year. That is, the exit option is available only after 5 years and the repayment will be done on the next interest payment date. Although one can exit in the secondary market anytime, in this case liquidity and price risk may exist. There may not be enough buyers for the quantity offered by you and even the market price may be low. In this investment, you can earn money in 2 ways. One way is interest payment, which are paid every 6 months at the rates fixed by Government of India. For this series, the interest rate is fixed at 2.5% per annum and will be paid semi-annually to the investor's bank account. That is 1.25% for 6 months. For example, if you have invested 10,000, the interest you will receive for every 6 months will be 125. And also the other way you can earn money is the capital appreciation of the bonds at the time of redemption. On maturity, the bonds will be redeemed at price which is calculated based on the simple average of last 3 days closing price published by the Indian Bullion and Jewelers Association Limited. The biggest advantages of SGP is clearly on the tax front. Redemption of bonds by an individual is exempt from capital gains tax. Therefore, holding till maturity has its tax advantages. Redeeming in stock exchange before 5 years, however, result in capital gains or loss and one may have to pay tax accordingly. Short-term capital gains will be taxed at the slab rates applicable to the respective investor and the long-term capital gains will be taxed at 20% after providing indexation benefits. If you hold more than 3 years, then long-term capital gains tax will be applicable. Interest earned by the investor during the financial year will be clubbed with his total income and taxed according to his applicable slab rates, that is 10%, 20% and 30%. The post-tax returns per annum comes to 2.25%, 2% and 1.75% respectively. If you invest in physical gold in the form of jewelry, there will be design and making charges which will be around 10 to 25%. SGBs are cost effective as there will be no design and making charges. Also, there will be no storage costs as it will be in your demat account, and no impurities unlike the physical gold. Also, there is no need to pay GST on purchase of gold bonds. However, if you invest in physical gold, 3% of GST will be attracted. There will be good returns in the form of semi-annual interest payments and capital appreciation. And also, there will be no capital gains tax if you redeem the bonds after 5 years. Also, these bonds can be used as collateral security in the banks for availing any loans. And as it will be held in demat account, there is no risk of loss and theft. As it is tradable on both BSE and NSE, if you want, you can redeem even before 5 years. This provides the liquidity to the investor. SGBs have a lock-in period of 5 years. However, it is tradable in secondary market, but capital gains tax is applicable. Unlike gold ETFs and mutual funds, systematic investment plan option is not available in these SGB schemes. So the entire investment need to be made at upfront. Also, there is a risk of capital loss if the market price of the gold declines on the maturity period. The bonds will be sold through scheduled commercial banks except small finance banks and payment banks, and Stock Holding Corporation of India Limited, and also through designated post offices and recognized stock exchanges like NSE and BSE. For your information, I have provided the list of scheduled banks and post offices in the description, where you can go and request for physical application forms to invest in these gold bonds. Even online application forms will be provided by some commercial banks. Here I will show you how to invest through Zerodha. Search Zerodha gold bonds in the Google and it will be redirected to this page. You can see here saying gold bonds 2.5% guaranteed by Government of India, and also capital gains tax arising on redemption is exemption from tax, safe, and no making charges and management fees, etc. Click invest now icon. It will be redirected to this page where you can find the current SGP scheme details, that is 2122 series 1. Price rate 4700 per gram, and also there is a last date of subscription mentioning 21st May 3:30 p.m. In this cell you can mention the quantity like 1 unit or 10 units, etc. Based on the total amount will be changed. Then you can click these icons to place the order. After placing the order, you can even edit the order or cancel the same. Like this, you can invest in gold bond schemes. The SGB price currently being offered in this scheme 2122 series 1 is pretty decent price to get into the gold investment in the current hour. Experts expect gold to scale rupees 50,000 in price in the 1 month's time. On a closing note, here are the key points to be considered before subscribing to the issue. SGB is considered as the safest mode of gold investments due to no risk of theft or burglary, also sovereign guarantee, interest on investment, tax-free maturity, etc. It's an attractive option for long-term investors. Also, it's an ideal option for the people who need to buy gold at future dates, as they may redeem the bonds at a price equivalent to the price of the gold on the date of redemption. So they don't have to be worried about the price of the gold in future. So we strongly advise you to make proper research before making any significant investment decisions. That's it for today, guys. Hope you learned something new. If so, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and kindly share the same with your friends. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Stay home, stay safe.